What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another clothing guide. Right guys, listen, in this video, what I'm going to be doing is a mystery unboxing winter special mixed budget edition. There's so much items in this video, I can't wait to do a massive review for you guys. Let me show you the box. This is the massive box that I got in from 7 Store, who sent me a whole bunch of items for me to do a massive review for you guys. Can't wait to do this one for you. Guys, remember with 7 Store, we've got 2 follower codes, which gives you 15% off a lot of new season stuff, especially brands which do not really have discounts on them. So for example, Canada Goose, Moncler, CP Company, and who else? Yeah, I said that's most of them. Right, but there's other ones as well. And also we got 30% off a lot of other brands as well. So that's a massive saving for a lot of you guys. We're still gonna be looking for their winter deals, anything like presents and stuff like that before Christmas. This could be a good opportunity to grab some deals. If you're looking for other discount codes, you can go ahead to our website. The team have been working on a lot of exclusive codes just for our followers. So if you're looking for deals, make sure to go and check that out. It's a lot of mixed budget items, lots of different brands, so let's get straight into it. I actually don't know what's in this box. Total mystery, total surprise. And the first thing I can see that we got in is a nice pair of off-whites by the look of it. Now obviously a lot of people, including myself, are very saddened by the news about what happened with Virgil Abloh. I will be trying to do a dedication video because I've got quite a few off-white pieces. I even had some off-white pieces which I thought were a little bit too small for me, but I don't even care anymore. I'm going to be keeping those. So it's nice to see that we've got some off-white trainers. That's a pair of off-white trainers there. And I do believe you can get 15% off of these ones. So yeah, so 15% off all the off-white stuff. That is going to be in the description box below, so you can check those out. Called the low vulcanized diagonal print trainers. Now I've actually got a pair of these. Ones I've got like a just canvas blue. I also got those from 7 Store for a really good price, by the way. But these are mad comfortable and I think they go really well with jeans. This colorway here might be a little bit too much, but you have got a pair which is all black with just the white stripes. So if you're looking for something that's a bit toned down, you can go for that. There's also a really nice pair that I saw in 7 Store, which is almost like a sand color. So if you want something a bit more low key, you can go for those. Right, we got tons of stuff. So let me check that out. And this is a Carhartt Fleece top. Now I've actually been looking for this one for quite a while, so this one's quite good to get in. As you can see, it's almost like a Sherpa type material. They're just one of my favorite tops, and they kind of look a little bit different as well. This is not real Sherpa, it is actually fake Sherpa, but that's okay. It's still a very warm material. Quite a lot of detail going all throughout. So if you can see the collar there, for example, also on the side, on the zip section there, also on the pockets there, you can see it's got this kind of like nylon material on the outside. So yeah, this is a size large. It feels really comfortable. Sometimes during the day you might not want to wear a jacket, especially if you're just kind of running around. You don't want something too heavy, but you still want to keep warm and have a lot of kind of like movement and stuff like that. So I think this one could actually be a nice winter essential drops. Right, next one. Right, so the next item that we've got in is this Alix 1017 9SM collaboration with Moncler. So this is actually quite an exclusive piece. A lot of people might not know, but Moncler's been doing this Moncler Genius project, which is a collaboration with lots of different brands, including Matthew M. Williams from Alix 1017 9SM, also with Craig Green. They also done some stuff with Fujiwara, who collaborated with Louis Vuitton. So yeah, lots of different collaborations. This one, when I first saw it, I wasn't too sure because I thought the material outside is quite shiny. Typically, I don't like it when the jackets are so shiny like this. But you know what? I do feel like this one looks a little bit better on. It definitely feels really comfortable. Material also seems water resistant, which is quite nice because you don't really get too many water resistant Moncler jackets. But so if you just check out the buckle here, you can see it's got quite a cool buckle system. So you just click it like that, push it down, and it opens up. And you can actually see the mechanism on the other side, so that's quite nice. Alix also does like bracelets with that buckle, belts and different stuff like that. So they did some pretty cool accessories and also chains as well. Now this is a size 4, so this is a size large. Again, I'm a size large myself, so I would say definitely go for a size large, go true to size if you're gonna pick up something like this. But not only that, with all the Moncler pieces, or the majority of the Moncler pieces, you'll get 15% off with our exclusive code. Remember, you can't get discounts on a lot of websites on Moncler exclusively, so we're very lucky to get that with 7 Store, and that's for followers only, okay? Also a note on the badge there, this one's got this kind of black badge, which I really like. And it's also got this kind of little button at the bottom as well. So that kind of like symbolizes the collaboration. So yeah, this one is pretty nice. Right, so another piece we have here is the Parra Fleece top. Parra's done some collections with the Nike trainers. So a lot of people will remember those because those trainers were like really kind of exclusive collaborations with Nike. It's nice to get in some actual clothing from them because I haven't had any clothing from Parra before. So yeah, this is definitely my style. Guys who've watched my videos know that I love Sherpa tops just like this. I absolutely love them. So you can see the material there. Nice finish on the pull cord, so that's really good. But most importantly, it feels super warm. Got the hood there as well. This is a size large. I've got some Nike style Sherpas, and every time I wear those, people always ask. So typically Sherpas like this I think are really comfortable. The nice Parra logo there as well. Okay, 7 Store, smashing it with this one. What else have we got? What else have we got? Okay, this got a Canada Goose. This is the Canada Goose. This one looks like the Windham Parka, and I'm really glad actually that they sent this one in because with the Windham Parka, actually I think this season's most popular jacket as it was last year along with the Macmillan. So this is the Windham Parka, obviously comes with the fur there, and remember I think it's at the end, is it at the end of this year? It's either at the end of this year or the end of next year. Canada Goose will not be selling jackets with fur anymore. So for those people who are looking for the fur jacket, I would say get them in now because their prices are going up and up every year. So likely next year the price will go up again. Remember there's 15% off from 7 Store with our code as well. So you can also get 15% off any of the Canada Gooses on 7 Store's website, okay? But this one is actually a size medium, so you can see already that it's actually too small for me. So a lot of people think that the Canada Goose jacket sometimes size down, but I would definitely not recommend that. I would definitely say go true to size large, go for a size large. If you're a size medium, go for a medium. Because the jacket has come in the packaging, it's a bit compressed, and the jacket feels a little bit flat. So what I would say is just give it a bit of a shake. Like that, and the jacket will return its puffiness because sometimes the feathers inside, they get a little bit stuck. It will just kind of loosen up the feathers a little bit. That's the Canada Goose Windham, really good to see that one. And they're selling out fast in a lot of places, so if you are looking for one, best to jump on 7 Store and see if there's any more left on there, okay? Right. Next one. Right, the next item that we've got in from 7 Store is this Stussy, another Sherpa top. They must think I love Sherpa. They must know that I love Sherpas over at 7 Store. First things first, like I say, the material does feel really nice on it. So let's try this one and see what that's saying. It's quite oversized, but I don't mind the oversized looks. I feel like oversized has been in for quite some time now, and I think people are quite used to the oversized look. Material feels really nice on it as well. And again, as I said, I love the kind of Sherpa style jumpers anyway. This one happens to be half zip, so I like that because it's a little bit different. This is also a size large, but it almost feels a little bit like an extra large, but it's meant to be oversized. On this one, I would say you can size down to a medium because it does feel a little bit long on the arms. I personally don't mind that anyway. So right, next piece. Right, what else we got? What else we got? Another Canada Goose. Right, what one's this? This is the Canada Goose Emery Parka. Right, cool, let's have a look. Emery. In terms of parkas for Canada Goose, the Emery is like one of their biggest jackets before you start going on into the expedition stuff. So if you want something that's quite heavy, quite warm, one of their kind of like biggest, warmest jackets, then I would say the Emery is like the mini king parka. So they've got the fleece inside the pocket, so that's still there, so that's still good to see. This one you've actually got on the inside, on the back, waist protector, wind guard, I'd call it, on the inside of the jacket. So basically when you do wear this, on the side kind of opens up and you've got like a belt that you can do up like that. So the whole purpose of that is like, and I doubt there'll be a situation in the UK where you'll need to use this, but if you do that up and then tighten the jacket up like that, what happens is it stops the air from getting in underneath the jacket, and that keeps you really well kind of insulated. This was also a size large, so again, to go with your true to size, yeah. So now it's got this kind of different looking font, which is a little bit different. That's the newest season sizing label. So got this kind of suede material on the neck to protect the neck, and you've got a suede material mouth guard on there as well. So when you do the jacket up, that kind of goes over your mouth and protects your mouth and your nose. So yeah, also it's got the funnel hood, so you can extend the hood out a little bit like that, and you can kind of shape it and manipulate it. So that just makes sure that you get some extra protection. If you don't want to extend it too much, you can also bend it and you can get the fur out there as well and have it bent and sticking out a little bit more like that. Okay, right. That's good to see. What else have we got in here? This is some bright looking jacket, boy. All right, let's check this one out. Okay, so it's a Moncler, and I don't know what one this is, but it looks bright. Wow. Wow, wow. Mate, look how bright this jacket is. It's definitely a bright jacket, that's for sure. So I like my bright jackets, but this one is hella bright. But you know what? It looks quite cool. Let's have a look. This is definitely what I would call a standout piece. Now, this one is called, what is this one? Labels, which is usually inside the pocket. It will always have the name on here so you can see Ensalados. And also, if you see where it says DIND and then the 20 represents the year of the jacket. So I know this jacket was produced last year. It looks like it could be water resistant. You know, a couple of years ago where there was not many water resistant jackets from Moncler at all. Definitely not within their main line, more within their kind of like Grenoble range, you would see more of it. Yeah, this is a very interesting color. It's really bright. It's not gonna be for everyone. Would I rock it myself? Thing is, I don't think I'd rock it all the time. It's definitely more of a special occasions jacket. Badge right here is a little bit different, so that's really good to see. You got the hood there as well. Put it this way, if I wear this, you're never gonna miss me walking down the road. So even stuff like this Moncler here, you can get 15% off. This is a size 4, which means it's a size large. I would say with Moncler, sizing can be really funny sometimes. I can be a size 3 sometimes, or I can be a size 4, or sometimes I can be a size 5. So it does depend on the model. Typically you should go true to size, but sometimes it might vary. So you might have to play around with sizes. This one seems to be okay. Right, what else have we got, man? Jeez. Let's have a look. This is a CP company. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Right, this looks like a hoodie. This one's a little bit different. Do you know what? I like the color on this one. It's like a sand color. Now, first things first with this, I really like it. I love the sand color on it. I think it's a little bit different. But one thing I would say is, although this is a size large, when I do stretch my arms, it does feel a little bit short, but body-wise, it feels fine. Sometimes I do find with CP company that if you go for a size large, it can fit a little bit small, but sometimes I've got CP company in a large and it feels fine. But one thing I definitely love is this fleece material, tech knit material on the front of the sweater. I've seen this quite a few times now with CP company where they've done it in jackets, and I really like the material. I think it's really nice and it goes right up to the face. I can even put it over my head, but I don't know why you want to wear it like that, to be fair. But badge, and it comes off like that. That is part of what they call the Metropolis collection, which is meant to be more for like inner city kind of urban wear, if you want to call it that. But that's what this badge represents, is the Metropolis collection. I've also just discovered it's got some pull cords on the side as well, so that's a little bit different. So yeah, that's the CP company, man. I thought that one was quite nice, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's a little bit different. This one as well, you can also get 15% off, possibly even 30% off. But again, check it all in the links in the description box below. We've got all our follower codes down there. For guys that want to do a little bit of a saving and get some discounts, it's well worth checking out, okay? Listen, I'm out of here. I've got lots more videos coming. Stay tuned for it. Peace out.